Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see some basic syntax of stack, and we are going to practice a question reverse a stack, after which we can start with the topic monotonic stack. So these are some basic stuffs and very important stuffs in relation to stack, because you need to know this syntax before you can enter with before you can start with stack. So yeah, let's see them one by one. First we have is first of all how we define the stack. So if we talk of defining the stack, we define it something like this. Stack. Over here we write the type of like basic data structure it is. For example, if we are making stack in which we are inserting integers, we will write stack int. Like this is the template. And let's name the stack. It's a variable. You can name it anything. Let's say it is s. Let's suppose you are inserting or deleting characters from the stack. So you can make stack of characters like this. Let's suppose it's double. So you can make stack of double over here and so on as you want. So this is how we define stack. Now let's see some basic functions which we can perform with stack. First of all, we perform an insertion operation. That is, the elements get inserted at the top of the stack, isn't it? So for insert, what we can write is, we will write s dot push the value which we want to insert. Then if we talk of deletion from the stack, so it will delete the topmost element from the stack, isn't it? And not any random element. So it can be done with s dot pop. And you only need to write s dot pop and it will return the topmost element, okay? Then you need to see the topmost element. Topmost element, if you want to see of stack, like which is the last element we inserted. So you can see that with the syntax s dot top. Then if we talk of seeing the size of the stack, it can be done with s dot size. And next is we can see if the stack is empty or not, which can be performed with s dot empty. Okay. So these are the some basic syntax of stack, and I would say that these are the only syntax of stack available to us. And because we don't need anything else, isn't it? Like हमें पता है कि कैसे इंसर्ट करना है, कैसे डिलीट करना है, टॉप मोस्ट एलिमेंट कैसे पता चलेगा, साइज क्या है, स्टैक एम्प्टी है कि नहीं. If we know all these terms, we don't need anything more, isn't it? So yeah, let's dry run for some code and we will get the idea. Let's code it down for some stack. Let's suppose we make stack of integers. Then we perform some insertion operation. Like we suppose push first of all 1. Then we push 3. And then we push 2. Once we do this, and if we just print the topmost element, let's see what's the output for us. The last element we inserted was 2. So the topmost element output should come out as 2, isn't it? See, it came as 2. Okay. Now let's suppose we perform a deletion operation and then we print the topmost element. We deleted 2, so the topmost element should come out as 3. Okay. Now suppose we want to check the size of the stack at this point of time. So the size of the stack can be checked by st.size. It should come out as 2, isn't it? We inserted 3 and deleted 1, so the size came out as 2. And we can like check whether the stack is empty or not. It returns the boolean variable, that is true or false. Let's check. st.empty should be false, isn't it? So the value should come out as 0. So these are the basic syntax of stack. Now let's look at one question of stack. That is one basic question of stack, that how to reverse the stack. I hope everyone is very much confident with the basic syntax. If not, once just pause the video and think of it, and once try to code it down once. Okay. So if we talk of some like one question of stack, that is reverse the stack. If this is the question given to you, how you can solve this? See, first of all, for you need to understand that what's the question says. We have a stack. Let's suppose we have a stack something like this. Okay. And let's suppose elements inserted in it are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what's the output we want? We want output something like this: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And one thing you need to understand is we need to change the same stack. That is, we don't want the other stack in the reverse format. We want this stack, this particular stack S1 to be changed. So how we can do this? One thing which comes in the mind of like most of the people is like using one another stack. Let's draw one another stack. Let's suppose this is a stack. Now, once you like perform operations like this, like you delete from this topmost element, and before deleting, you insert that particular element in this stack. Once you do this, in this stack, you will get as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, isn't it? So you can see the format which we wanted. We wanted for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the top, isn't it? And we got that. But we were not able to change this particular stack S1. We got this format in our stack S2. Now but we wanted to change S1. So if we shift these elements back into the S1, now S1 does not have any element, isn't it? We checked the topmost element, inserted that in our stack, and deleted that particular element. After that only we got this stack, isn't it? So now S1 is empty. But if we just perform the same operation like we did while coming from S1 to S2 to S2 to S1, we will again get this stack as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we can't do that, isn't it? Like this is the wrong format. So what we can do is we can use one more stack. Like ऐसा कर लो. First of all, you shifted from this to this, you got the reverse format, isn't it? So you know that once you shift from here to some another stack, you will get the reverse format of this, which was the actual format. But you want the reverse format, isn't it? So what you can do is you can just use one more stack and perform this operation more 2 times. So the things will be shorted, isn't it? Like if I say you that instead of performing this same operation from S2 to S1, perform this from S2 to S3. If you do this, in this stack you will get as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like you checked one. First of all, you inserted one in this stack and deleted it. Then you inserted two and then deleted it. And same operation you did, and you get S3 as this. Now, if you perform this operation from S3 to S1, now if you do this, what you will get is you will get that your stack is removed, isn't it? Because now if you perform the operations, you will get as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So yeah, this is the way how you can reverse a stack using two more stacks. So let's code it down once and you will get a good idea. Let's suppose we have stack as this and we perform the operations like we pushed 1, 2, 3. That is, we inserted 1, 2, 3, and let's say 4. Okay. So this is now the stack for us. And now if we want to reverse it, what we can do, we will make more 2 stacks over here. Like let's name as HT1 and HT2. Now what you can do is, while ST is not empty, Just see the way I write down the codes for stack. If we can perform operations on stack only till the stack is not empty, isn't it? So while not the original stack is empty, what we will do is we will insert the elements in st1. So st1 dot push the topmost element of st, and then I can delete the topmost element of st, isn't it? Okay. So by this, what we will get is we will get this stack s2. Like over here, we named as s1, we will get a stack s2. Now, performing the same operation from st1 to st2. So why st1 is not empty? We can perform the same operation, that is st2 dot push st1 dot top and st1 dot pop. So by this, what we will get is we will get this stack, isn't it? We will get this one. So from here, like from this stack to the original stack, if we perform the same operation, then what we will get? We will get the reversed format in the original stack. So the same operation from st2 to st. So while not, like we can copy this down, it's same. You can even make a function for this, just to not write this code again and again. So we are performing these operations from st2 to st. Okay. So yeah, this is the code for us. Now, if we try to print the elements of stack st, you will get them in reverse order. So you first of all you will get one, then two, then three, then four, isn't it? Because the stack before was from top, it was 4 3 2 1. So after reversing from top, it is 1 2 3 4. So yeah, we will get the elements 1 2 3 4. Let's try to check it once. Let's print the element. Okay. Let's try to run it down. Okay, we got 1 2 3 4. So yeah, that's the correct output. So this is how we can reverse a stack using two more stacks. And this is all for this video. From next video, we are going to start with the most important topic, the monotonic stack. By then, thank you.